Hey everyone, it's Paula here, and I'd like to show you how to insert some Google Forms onto your Google site. Google plays so well with each other that it's pretty seamless to do. So right here on this page, I have a parent survey for back to school, and you can insert it similar to how I showed you to insert a doc or to insert this is going to be form, a calendar, excuse me, so a doc or a calendar, very similar. This way, I used it to embed it using a gadget right here. And you can see that there's really just a little bit of difference here. I don't see a lot of difference. I think that there's more steps over here using the gadgets. And then the last way would be to use an image and to make the link go to the Google survey form as well. So I'm going to show you all three ways in this video. Going to kind of work our way through it kind of quickly and see how it goes. So first step is we're going to click on the pencil tool. I'm going to do the Google form right down here first. So I'm going to click on the box that I want it to go to, and I'm going to do insert, and I'm going to come over here to drive, and then I'm going to do form. And when I click on form, the name of the form that I'm looking for, it's actually popped up right there. It's called parent survey. So I'm going to put a check mark in the box next to my parent survey. I'm going to click select. I can change the width and whatnot if I choose to, which is fine. And you can see right there that the form, the survey kind of pops right up. And what I like about this is that when I made the form, when they submit it, the form will then come up and ask you to submit another response. So theoretically, I would have this open during like an open house, and ideally I would have a station or two available for the parents to fill out right then and there, so that you would have their email address, which I think is the most powerful thing sometimes when you get information. And they can fill out this real quick right then and there at a station. All right. The next way that we're going to go about this is I'm going to show you how to do it through embedding a gadget, which is going to look this way. And I'm just going to put the cursor down here. Oops, sorry, I got to hit the pencil tool up there. And I'll hit the cursor down here. And this time I'm going to do insert. But instead of doing over here to the drive, I'm going to go right there this time to where it says more gadgets. And when I go to more gadgets, I am looking for an embed featured. It's called Google Embed. So I'll just type in the Google Embed one. There it is. I'm looking for the Embed gadget. And when I open up the Embed gadget, I click on that and I click select, and it's looking for me to have that embed code. This code is a little bit different on the parent survey. So up here are my links. I'm going to go back up here to parent survey. I'm going to go over here to file. This is the survey, the form that I created. And you can see right here that if I click on File Embed, that this is going to give me that embed code. So I'm simply going to highlight it and copy it. I'm going to go back to my Google form here, my sites where I'm inserting that. And I'm going to paste that embed code right there. And then I'm going to click OK. And when I click Save, you can see that the embed code just pops in there as well. So the down part of this is that I had to mess around a little bit with the size of this one, because I didn't like the scroll feature, that when I'm here on the embed code, it doesn't give me that scroll bar naturally, and I might think that this is the last question, and it's not the last question that I'm in. Whereas on this Google form right here, just embedding the Google form. And I have to tell you, I think that I like the embedding it the best so far. There is also a third way that I'm going to show you where you can actually have an image, and you can click on the image, and you say, hey guys, click on the picture to take my, my survey, and it would click and it would bring you to it. And this is how you do those steps. So I'm going to click on the pencil tool. I'm going to put the cursor where I want it. I'm going to insert my image here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go to Drive, sorry, and I'm going to do image this way. There's two ways we can do images. And I'm going to look for parent survey is the name of my image. There's my image first. So I click on it and I select, and there's my image. It's a little big, so I'm going to center it, make it a little bit smaller. But in a previous video, I just want to review that one of your options here is that you can click on the change link, and this can be the URL to your form, should you like it. So you can say you want the text to say, you know, please take this survey. And then you're going to link the URL. So the URL that I'm going to link for the image, if I go back to my survey right here, it's not going to be the embed code. The embed code is only used for that embed gadget. The form that I'm looking for is that when I do I'm sorry, I'm drawing a blank here. When I do the responses, and I send the form. It's send the form, that's what it is. I'm going to do send the form. This is the Google Doc right there. It looks like it's the embed code, but you can see it's an HTTP site here. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click on done. I'll go back to my Google Sites. This is my image right here. And I'm pasting that URL. I always like to have it open up in a different window. So now that when I press save right here and I click on the image, it takes it to my form as well right there. And I can not let them edit this form right there. So I could take that option away on Google Forms. So 3 different ways for us to embed a Google form onto a Google site. So let me just summarize one last time. You have your insert Google, I'll do this, insert Google Drive, and you can get your form. You can insert a more gadget, which is called your embed code over here on the left, or you could insert an image and you could change the URL for that. So you can decide which one that you like the most, guys. I certainly have my opinion that I kind of lean toward this one, but that's just me. I can see the benefit of the image. The gadget feels like a few more steps to me, but if that looks and feels right for you, then give it a try. Happy to help. Let me know if I can answer any more questions.